So hey, hello and welcome back guys to a new video on Kavin FX. So in today's video I would like to share my daily analysis for GBPUSD and USD index. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, before watching this video, guys, if you're new, make sure to subscribe guys. Okay, my analysis will work sometimes and sometimes it won't work guys. Okay, and mostly my analysis has been according to me guys. Okay, a lot of you guys have made profit. If you guys are willing to make profit and if you guys are a beginner, make sure to hit the subscribe button guys. It won't take much time guys. Currently I'm at 319 subscribers, if I'm not mistaken, 319, and my goal is 400 subscribers guys. That's my second target, and then I have my third target, fourth target and fifth target guys. Okay, so currently we are reaching our second target. Another 81 subscribers guys. Okay, 81 subscribers, so make sure to hit the subscribe button guys, and make sure to like the video guys. Okay, make sure to like the video. The more impression you give towards my video, the more recommendation I will get, and more beginners out there will be benefited guys. So make sure to subscribe my video and make sure to like this video guys. So with that said, let me start this video guys. Okay, so you guys can see market did win according to our analysis guys. Okay, market did win according to our analysis. 100.339, this zone guys, perfect zone guys, perfect zone, clear 100 pips guys. Okay, I secured clear 100 pips in the trade. Wow guys, I was very happy, and a lot of you guys got message me about the trade. Okay, around Monday, Tuesday, saying that market's not moving, market might drop. I told you guys to be patient. From what I analyze, my analysis won't go against guys. If the market is volatile, if there's a big news such as FOMC news, okay, core retail or something like that, market might go down. But as you guys can see, yesterday I think the oil guys, okay, US oil was not quite tempting guys. Okay, it was very poor guys. Okay, that's why we saw a nice drop on USD index. And where at this zone guys, can you guys see what a coincidence guys. Okay, 100.339, clearly market fall from that zone guys. Okay, clearly market fall from the zone. Why am I talking about 100.339? Okay, I know you guys are, some of you guys are new. Let me tell you why. Okay, 100.339, as you guys can see here. Okay, just let me take a screenshot guys. My pointer, some of you guys saying that my pointer isn't clear, so let me take a screenshot. As you guys can see here, this zone was a nice resistance guys. 100.339 was a nice resistance. Market struggle pretty much guys. Okay, pretty much market struggle. As you guys can see, market went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, and then market start falling down guys. Okay, market struggle there. That's why I gave you guys this zone, 100.339, a good resistance. Okay, that's why I told you guys. And as you guys can see, market clearly came to the resistance, market drop guys. Okay, that's the splendid analysis guys. Okay, I know you guys made profit. I was very happy to see some of you guys were sharing your profit to me. If you guys would have made profit, I don't know who you are. Okay, so if you are willing to share your profit, you guys can comment down your profit in my video. Or if you guys want to personally talk to me, as you guys can see in the screen itself, Kavin FX. Okay, go to IG. Okay, I'm very active in IG. Go to IG, Kavin FX. Just message me there. I will try to message you as soon as possible guys. Okay, so as you guys can see today, market's moving down guys, due to the pressure yesterday's news and due to our analysis guys. Okay, and I told you guys that if market failed to break this zone, market will come down till where? Till this zone. So as you guys can see, where's market heading? Market's heading to that zone guys. Okay, to our support. Okay, this was a resistance. Let me take a screenshot. Okay, I'll make sure 100% want you guys to understand guys. Okay, I would like you guys to understand. Okay, I don't want to just talk and you guys ended up getting nothing from it. Okay, so this was a resistance for the market. Okay, market was quite struggling at this zone, and I told you guys that once the market broke this zone, it will retest. You guys can place your buy. That's what many of you guys did. Market went up guys. Okay, market went up, and now market's dropping where? Till the resistance, which is acting as a support right now. Okay, let me just share this. If a resistance has been broken, this zone, if a resistance has been broken, it will be act as a support, and if a support has been broken, it will be act as a resistance. Just remember that guys. Okay, so where's the market heading right now? Right now the market is heading to the resistance. Okay, I mean sorry, my mistake, to the support, because the resistance has been broken. Now it's a support, so market is heading to the support, and we can see a bounce off like this. Okay, a pattern something like this, or market can break this and we can see a retest and market can go down, because that's a lot of potential guys. But from what I analyze, okay, from what other news will be coming out, okay, from what the news will be coming out, I am expecting market to come down like this. Okay, come down like this and move up guys, to give me a M pattern, something like this. Okay, we can expect market to move like this guys. Okay, if market is ranging on the zone, if market breaks this, retest, move down. Or if market breaks the high, okay, retest, move up. Okay, that's the thing will happen, guys. That's how the market works. So what's my move for the USD index? I'm a seller currently. I'm expecting market to reach this zone, guys. I'm not a big seller, guys. I'm a short time seller because this is a daily analysis. Okay, mark my words. This is a daily analysis. This is not a weekly forex forecast. So 99.252, guys. Okay, another 20-30 pips is there for the market to reach. So make sure to keep your eyes on that zone, guys. Okay, if market fails to break the zone, and if you are watching a retracement, something like this, if the candle forms like this, okay, right now this is a sell candle. If the candle forms like this and market failed to break the zone, okay, okay, let me draw it on that side, guys. Quite hard, okay, something like this. Okay, if you see something like this, okay, yeah, a candle something like this, then you guys can place your buy. Okay, something like this. Okay, this is what shows that the buy pressures are pushing in the market. Okay, if something like this happen in a support, you guys can clearly take your buy. Okay, if a candle like this form, okay, a dodgy candle like this form, you guys can place your support and make sure to set your stop loss, guys. Okay, it's very important, 20 to 30 bips, because why? Market manipulators, they can manipulate us, guys. Okay, the market movers, the big bank, they can manipulate the market here, guys. Okay, none of us expect the buy, but from what I analyze, I expect the buy, but not yesterday. And yesterday the news was quite bad for USD index. The oil was quite not tempting, guys. Okay, the oil was quite bad. That's why we saw a nice movement. And yeah, market moved from here, guys. 100.339. That was I was very happy at that zone, guys. Okay, so yeah, what's my move for USD index? I'm expecting market to move down like this. Okay, I'm expecting market to move down like this and then continue it sideways, guys. Okay, if market willing to break this resistance or the support, we can expect some further movement, guys. Okay, on USD index. So yeah, with that said, let me move on to GBPUSD. So for pound, yeah, pound, guys. Okay. So for pound is nearing our zone here, 131.579. Okay, and that's our first zone, guys. This was a nice support. From what we can see in daily, this is a nice support. Okay, if you guys are willing to take your sell, make sure to layer your orders, guys. Okay, let me take a screenshot here. Okay, because why? Okay, market can move up, guys. There's potential for market to move up because I told you guys the USD index has to come around this zone, around 99.256, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, between that zone. So if USD index comes down, US comes down, GBP, don't mind my drawing, guys. Okay, GBP goes up. Okay, if US comes down, GBP goes up. So that's the movement here, guys. So what am I expecting for GBPUSD? I'm expecting market to reach this first zone here, guys. Okay, this first zone here. Okay, this is the nearest zone. That's why I'm expecting market to reach the zone. And why am I expecting is because this was a support for the market, as you guys can see here. Okay, as you guys can see here. Okay, let me mark this red line. Market came down, retraced for quite some time, guys. I think almost 2 to 3 weeks, and then we saw a nice shoot off, guys. Okay, because so I'm expecting market to come to this support area. Now we will call this as a resistance. Why? If a support has been broken, it will be act as a resistance. Okay, the opposite what I told you guys just now. If a resistance has been broken, it will be act as a support, and if a support has been broken, it will be act as a resistance. Because why? Right now market broke the support, market came down, market moved up, and right now I'm expecting market to come here, guys. Okay, where till 1.315 okay, 600 till 900, guys, between this zone. If you guys are willing to take your trade, don't move on with your full lot, guys. Okay, if we are handling a $100 account, from what I analyze from my money management, I'll ask you guys to place your 2 cents only. Okay, you guys can start layering your order. Okay, let me erase this first. Okay, you guys can start layering your order. Remember that, layer your order. Don't full margin, guys. Don't go full margin and blow up your account and then come and complain to me, guys. Okay, I cannot do anything to you because I've been telling to you guys, layer your order and follow your money management. This is a strict rules if you are willing to trade, guys. Okay, if you are willing to trade, this is a strict rules. Layer your order, follow your money management, and set your stop loss, and make sure to set your break even. If you're making profit, just set the damn break even, guys. Okay, don't let your account blown up, guys. Okay, because this is what I going through. Okay, I will go full margin, I will go, won't set my break even because I will be expecting more money, and ended up washing out all of my money, guys. Okay, so yeah, that's why, guys. Okay, that's why. Okay, don't get scared, guys. This is how I'll talk usually. 1.31600 till 900, guys. Okay, till 900 you guys can start laying your order. If you are handling a $100 account, 0.01 around 1.31600 or 650, 0.02 around 1.31850, guys. Okay, I've given you the lot, I've given you the zone. And SL, guys. Okay, a stop loss 30 to 50 pips, guys. Okay, 30 to 50 pips. Remember this zone, just 30 to 50 pips. Because why? You are expecting a big amount, guys. if you are going for a 10 pips or 20 pips of profit, you guys can set your stop loss smaller. Okay, if the risk is bigger, I mean, if the reward is bigger, the risk is bigger. Okay, if the reward is smaller, the risk is smaller, guys. Okay, remember this term. So yeah, I'm expecting market to move there, guys. 1.31600 till 900, and if you guys are willing to take your sell, it's up to you. And make sure to set your stop loss. So yeah, with that said, let me end today's video, guys. Okay, let me erase this first. I'm expecting market to move. As you guys can see, market is nearing our zone or so. So if you guys are willing to take your trade, make sure to follow your money management properly. Okay, set your break even. If you're making profit, set your break even, because tonight we are having some important news such as core retail news for USD index. Okay, it will determine the market's movement. This kind of news will determine the market's movement. So make sure to set your break even. With that said, let me end today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe my channel, guys. Okay, please subscribe my channel and just give a like, guys. Okay, yeah, that's it. Like, I would like to end today's video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.